This is my lunch for today. It's a sweet potato, just boiled. And then let's put some, nasa natin yung ano, para hindi mapanis. Butter on top, like that. This is my lunch. Kain tayo. Ayan, butter. Butter. Yeah. If it's not enough, we have more there. Tutunaw siya. Pagka masarap kasi pag tunaw siya, diba? Then, let's do it like this. Ayan. Punta doon ang butter. Let's slice. Let's half it so that the butter will go inside. Here's the butter. Ayan. Huwag masyado sa butter din kasi hindi maganda sa ating kalusugan. Ayan, ayan. Ano siya. Then, our drinks would be cocoa. Cacao. Ayan. Open. Let's put something. Hindi ko alam kung ilan to eh. Sabi niya 2 teaspoon. 2 teaspoon. Masarap magganito kasi malamig ang panahon. To make yourself warm, you drink. Ayan. Wow. Then, let's put, nilagay ko dito yung aking milk. Then, put it like this. I will wipe. Ayan. So that it will not. Ayan. Sana yung fresh milk sana. Kaso lang wala tayong fresh milk. Ayan. One only. Kasi pagka masarap pag maraming milk na fresh sana. Eh hindi naman mapait pagka maraming cacao na ilalagay. So, let's put something. Ayan. Just light only para matanggal lang yung Ayan. Tapos, kasi plastic yan eh. Hindi maganda. Plastic itong Just shoot. Tama na yan. Tapos, haluin natin dito sa ating panghalo na chopstick. Ayan. Haluin natin, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Chocolate. Dagdagan natin ng water. It seems that it's so dark. Ayan. Lagyan na natin yan. Wala ng water. Just a perfect. And then, ayan na siya. Let's try. Parang hindi pa siya sa ilalim. Just mix well. Ayan. This is my lunch for today. Sa ilalim hindi pa siya meron pa siya mga hindi pa tunaw. Ayan. Ito na siya. Let's throw this one. It's finished already. Let's try. Kain po. Thank you Lord for this food. Have our lunch, guys. Let's try this one. Yung ipin ko nasungkit kasi kahapon. Medyo masakit siya. Let's try to add some milk. Hindi dito ko lang naman kinuha to eh. Sayang kasi. Kaitapon na nating plastic. Hindi na maganda sa ating katawan yung plastic na yan. Let's try another one. It's tasty. I wanna try this one, but it's too much hot. It might burn my lips. Thank you so much. Kain.